follow me on Snapchat, you already know what it is. But if you don't, guess what? I'm not at home. Not even close to home, actually. I am in Mississippi. No, Louisiana. No, Mississippi.
You're in Louisiana.
No, I'm in Mississippi. We're in Mississippi right now, and we are at a hotel. Me and my sister have our own room. We are chilling in this nice hotel. So y'all are probably like, Key, why are you in Mississippi? You were just doing your hair in your house like 2 days ago. Well, first of all, we got this amazing view of the beach. We're in Biloxi, Mississippi, looking at the beach, just kind of relaxing for the next few days, because it's been a stressful year. You know, 2016 has been a little harsh on us as individuals, so we're just kind of taking it all in. And so yeah, that's my story for today. I ate bubble gumps for the first time. Bubble gumps. It was good. It was really good. The only problem that I have right now is the fact that I didn't pack for like 80-degree weather. I packed for cold, because that's all I got. So when Dad was like, pack, I was like, alright, cool. So I'm like, well, this kind of looks like the weather that it's fit for, but it's really not. And so yeah, so we're just kind of chilling right now in our we're just kind of chilling in our hotel room. I've actually been sick the whole trip. Like, my sinuses have been killing me. I don't know if it's the change of the weather, the change in the atmosphere, but it's really been kicking my butt. I'm probably about to go to sleep, honestly. It's like 7:45. I feel like an old person. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. This isn't even really a vlog. This is just like me talking and rambling. So I'm gonna stop rambling here. And I'll see you guys some other time soon. Key out. Oh, y'all. I'm not leaving yet. I got a question for y'all. Okay, so like the theme, like y'all know right now, my banner is spending time with Key, right? But I want to change it to killing it, because my name is Kiera Lynn, like Key Lynn.
Ha.
It's not supposed to be funny. Like killing, like a play on words, you know, killing it, killing time, killing it. What? I need help, y'all. Should I just keep it, or should I just like make my channel my name, like Kiera? Help me out, please. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. This is where I'm ending it now. And I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas, a wonderful holiday. I hope y'all got all whatever gift you wish for. I hope Santa left you awesome gifts. And I'll see you next time. What's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? It is the day after Christmas. And I just woke up a few minutes ago. Like an hour ago. I'm lying. It was like an hour ago. So I guess today is the beach day. But it's like 73 degrees. So I have on like this poncho thing with like a tank top on under. But it's like half a tank top. So it's like what's really going on. I'm gonna take my camera vlogging today. But my hair looks a mess right now. Let me show y'all. Discord. I got a poncho deal. Using sauce. Too much sauce. So yeah, what I'm about to do right now is my hair, because this is from that wash routine I did a few days ago. This is still that. So I'm gonna go do my hair. Should I bring y'all with me? Yeah. Let's take you. And so you guys, I just doing my hair. It looks so much better than before. I be tripping sometimes, I swear. Here's my hair. If y'all wonder what product I was using, it's Curl's Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. Okay, so my camera doesn't want to adjust, but that's okay. The door. I don't wait as bad as I did before. Don't mind my music blasting. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. Yeah, y'all. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. Remember that. So the silver or gold? Silver. Rose gold. You know, I think rose gold goes better with this. I wore gold yesterday. You know what? It's okay. We're just gonna wear gold again today. Or black. No, not black. Not black. Not today. So I'm just gonna shade. Okay, my favorite part about the goods. I think my favorite part about shea butter is we're meant to feel like a crazy person. So that probably means you need to get stuff either way. Right now. We're not really ready to go yet, but I'm gonna pack my stuff just in case, because she says we got different rooms now, so I'm gonna go just do stuff. I'll look above. You ain't wanna do it? And so we are walking somewhere. We said we want to go that way, but of course he walked the opposite way, so I don't really know where we're going. Got on my mama MKs. She's gonna kill me if I... Are those gunshots? You took it!
You pushed the button.
Could you not see? She mad because she's short and can't be seen in the picture. We're on the bridge. On the bridge. The I-10 loop walkway. I-110, sorry for the mistake. Look at them birds. We should wake them up. Honk, honk, honk. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, 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 honk. You swim. I can't swim. You said what now? Go take you a picture. Don't fall off the edge.
Take us a picture.
Take y'all a picture. Let me get all up in your face.
For that, you have to call the police and they come out here and have y'all wrapped up in little things. Y'all traumatized from seeing dead bodies.
And it's 80 degrees out here. They got us in hoodies. And be like, okay, well, where were you last time?
SVU or regular?
It's this SVU because we had a foot.
Okay, yeah. So
Are you guys here on vacation? Somebody got their shoes. Is it hot? Oh. Yeah, I don't ever show my feet. I did. You moonwalking in the sand? You sand walking. And so you guys, I never show my toes on camera, so we might have a problem. And you couldn't wait, could you? Go, girl.
There's nothing like math crazy.
Somebody out here doing their math homework. lighting is good. Let's take a selfie with this lighting. Selfie. Okay, turn this way. This way. Do it again, Mark.
No.
Grab
Nobody
it.
cares,
Grab
baby.
it again.
I'm live.
Somebody looking. Who looking? Too?
Oh, she talking to the people.
Hello.
Who are you? Are you looking at them or are they looking at
Look at you.
How y'all doing? Cause Hi.
Tyrone who?
Mama's first time on live and she don't know how to act.
Nah. Tyrone who?
Tyrone.
Your cousin.
Your cousin.
Oh.
Or they daddy. I don't know which one it is. I'm in Biloxi.
Okay, anyways. You remember back in the day when Mommy used to be like, don't post nothing till we get back because somebody gonna break in our house.
We got Vivian.
Like, that's gonna prevent anything, but okay. I swear you can't take black people nowhere.
This is really nice.
Here, but I'm hungry and I'm not myself and I'm hungry and we finna go get a grub, so